boomerang. It will come back eventually to me. And so what is it that I want to reap? And once we can figure out, that is, what need do I have in my life? What is it that I desire God to do in my life? If I can get back what I give, then I need to survey my life to find out what is lacking in my life. What it is that I desire for my life. How do I want God to bless my life? Once I figure out how I want God to bless, that becomes a key. And so I sow my need. The farmer goes out, but he understands that he can't sow corn and get grapes. He can't sow this and get something else. So he must consider, if I need this, then I must sow this. Jesus echoed the same sentiments when he said in Matthew chapter 12 verse 7, therefore all things whatsoever you would that man should do unto you, then sow that same thing into the life of man. Because if you sow that same thing into the life of man, somebody else now will sow that same thing into your life. I've come to say to somebody that what you want, you gotta first of all decide and make up in your